Hey everyone, it is Dry January, and in honor of Dry January, we're going to be sampling some non-alcoholic brews from a, well, ever-growing market of non-alcoholic beers. This one comes to us from Kit NA Brewing in Portland, Maine. It's called Here We Go, and it's a Hazy IPA. Let's pour it out. Alright, as always, we start with appearance, and honestly, I was pleasantly surprised. It promises to be a hazy IPA, and yeah, that's hazy. But what I was actually most excited about was it has a creamy hit of foam on there, and I feel like sometimes with these non-alcoholic brews, they just kind of lack that. They come out a little bit flat, so I'm happy about that. As far as color, I don't know if I've ever described a brew with this term before, but it almost looks like a pear. Like, I don't know, like if you were gonna have pear juice, that's what this color to me looks like. It's not really golden, it's like a light yellow. So we're gonna talk about the scent and then we're gonna taste it. Alright, it's pleasantly hoppy in terms of the scent. I mean, it also has a little bit of that, I really don't know how to describe the smell, but a lot of the non-alcoholic brews have just this smell about it that it to me is just different than what you would expect in a normal IPA. But the hop aroma is very pleasant. So let's try it. Not bad at all. Does have a little bit of that, I don't know. I still don't know what the flavor is. To me, the only word I can think of is like metallic, but that's really not it. I think it's just like the lack of some of the body that you get from an alcoholic IPA. Or maybe it literally is the flavor of the alcohol. But the hop flavor is actually quite nice. The haziness gives it a decent mouthfeel. One more sip. You know, it even has a juiciness to it, but what I was about to say is, you know, I've had definitely worse non-alcoholic IPAs. This one's actually quite solid to me, and I'm going to break it down into this. It has a nice mouthfeel, a nice hop flavor, and it has a juiciness to it. It makes it enjoyable to drink. Once again, I'm not rating these on a scale of 1 to 10, but we're doing a thumbs up, thumbs in the middle, or thumbs down, and I'm going to give this one a thumbs up. If you've had Here We Go or any brew from Kit NA Brewing in Portland, Maine, let me know in the comments below, and if you have a favorite beer you'd like me to try, it could be a normal beer or an NA beer. I'd love to try it, so let me know as well. And until next time, cheers.